Okay, so students, we are going to start the class. Okay, so we were talking about this chapter cell cycle and cell division, and in our previous lectures what we have done is we have completed the interphase part of cell cycle, right. So if you are talking about cell cycle, by now we know that it is broadly divided into two parts, that is the interphase and the M phase, right. So interphase or jiman kini information asil tat kenuka dhoroner questions are expected, etc., we have discussed. So today what we are going to do is we are going to talk about the M phase. Talking about M phase, obviously we have to talk about the meiotic phase and the mitotic phase, and we are going to start from mitosis, right. Karon cell division boli kole basically we talk about either mitosis or meiosis. So aji heading likhiba mitosis. Right. So mitosis are basic points that we likhilo and then we'll explain. So talking about mitosis, first point likha, mitos means thread and osis means stage, right. So mitosis or just meaning at a next, one second. It was described by what? Kyo gom na pala? As a third class? আজি লোকে লিংক দিয়া নাই মানে লাস্ট দুটা ক্লাসৰ লিংক পোৱা নাছিলে ওকে ডাজন্ট ম্যাটাৰ ওকে ডাজন্ট ম্যাটাৰ যিখিনি পাৰ্ট তোমালোকে কৰা নাই উইল ডু ইট এগেইন ঠিক আছে এজ অফ নাও আজি মাইটোচিছৰ পৰা জাষ্ট আৰম্ভণি কৰিছোঁ আই থিংক ইউ উইল নট ফেচ আ প্ৰব্লেম ফ্ৰম দিছ পাৰ্ট ঠিক আছে চেল চাইকেলৰ অকল ইণ্টাৰফেচ পাৰ্টটো আমি কমপ্লিট কৰিছোঁ সেইখিনি মই আকৌ পিছত তোমালোকক কৰাই দিম ৰাইট আৰু উইল ষ্টাৰ্ট ইট ফ্ৰম মাইটোচিছ ওকে Okay. Next, the term mitosis was termed by Fleming. It is a common method stage okay, it's a common method of cell division. ঠিক আছে আমি জাস্ট ইন্ট্রোডাক্টরি পার্টটো কৰি আছো নেক্সট it is a common method of cell division. Next, mitosis occurs in somatic cells. Are somatic cells boli kole ki bujo? We are talking about body cells. Next point, this division is also called as equational division. And why is it called as equational division? Since chromosome number of each daughter cell remains equal to that of the mother cell. Means what? যদি mother cell or mother cellot jodi 46 chromosomes thake for example tetia hole daughter cellor ki thakibo 46 chromosomes and jehetu ekei thake so it is called as equational division. Next, duration approximately we can say it lasts from about 30 minutes to 3 hours approx. Next, it consists of 2 phases. So, junto cell mitosis undergo koribo. Again, it will enter the cell cycle obviously, and if it enters the cell cycle, then we have to talk about interphase and we have to talk about the dividing phase also, right. So, ekhini hol informations about mitosis, just introductory information. By the term cell division, what we understand, the attached cell that will be considered as mother cell who is going to divide, and that cell is going to divide and form 2 daughter cells, right. So, cell division jodi okoman tumalke porisa, we generally use about 2 words, one is called as reductional division and the other is called as equational division, right. Equational division buli koa loge loge we refer it as mitosis, or reduction division buli koa loge loge we talk about meiosis. Why do we use the word equational and or reduction? It depends on that chromosome number, no, mother or kiman chromosome asile or daughter or kiman chromosome asile, jodi ekei thake then obviously it is called as equational division, that is seen in case of mitosis, whereas in case of meiosis mother or jiman thake tatke reduced hoi pelai daughter cells thake, and so it is called as a reduction division. As far as where do mitosis occur, it occurs in the somatic cells, aru meiosis kot occur buli koa, if the question is asked like that, then obviously it occurs in the gametic cells or germinal cells. Ekiloke kiba doubts ase niki? Yar bitor questions ki hor por ahise termed by, right. So, etu point porhiba, then etu bostu porhiba, it is also called as equational division. Ketiaba etu upor question ahe 30 minutes to 3 hours. So, out of these points 18 ta point important. Can I rub this part of the board? Ekhini musibo paru? Okay. Please say. Kiba koisile ni? Okay, okay, this part. Net this part. The part that I have rubbed off. Okay, which one you did not write? Oh, this part. Okay, okay, okay. I think you were writing the last point, right? The last point was it is also called as equational division. And why is it called as equational division? We have put a bracket, right? To be first likha, it is also called as equational division. Put a bracket. Why it is called? Since the number of chromosomes in the mother cell and the daughter cell remains the same. Hetu point ami likhisu last point out. Right? And then these. Next. So, next point. Mitosis, buli kole, what is mitosis? Nothing but cell division. And whenever we are talking about cell division, obviously duta event hoy. Key event hoy is a division of the nucleus and division of the cytoplasm. So, mitosis is a cell division. So, if cell division process hoy, then obviously taru ki thakibo? Karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Ekhini janu no? Cell division buli kole ki hobo? So, nucleus to divide korbo, tapo cytoplasm divide korbo. Nucleus division process is called as karyokinesis, and later It is followed by the division of cytoplasm, and that is called as cytokinesis. So mitosis also has two types or two stages. Talking about karyokinesis, stage ase no, ki stage ase? Prophase, metaphase, keita stage asile? Anaphase aru telophase. Na? Sarita. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase aru telophase. Karyokinesis occurs by this. Another way of talking about it is, if you are talking about prophase in detail, prophase, kwa. Sobore blurry is now equal to mar. Everyone? Clear ahi ase? ठीक है इसे ओके যদি ব্লাৰ হৈ যায় না suppose completely blur হলে তো we have to talk right or maybe we have to pause for a while যদি অকমান ব্লাৰ হৈছে আকৌ আহি গৈছে if suppose you don't see something just tell me so that I can dictate what I have written is mitosis consists of two steps, that is karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis in case of mitosis consists of four stages, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase, and prophase has again been divided into three parts, that is early prophase, mid prophase aru late prophase. Ekhin loke dekha paisa? Okay, is it over? Cytokinesis or tomar division of the cytoplasm hoy no, tate tomar division keneke thakibo? It's just the cytoplasm that divides. Karyokinesis or iman bilak je parts ase, because we'll be talking about the different stages no, ki hoy nuclear material or ki hoy chromosomes bilak ki hoy. So he karone karyokinesis or details ba stages ase. Cytokinesis is just the division of the cytoplasm. Right? Yaru ami khali eta division koribo paru je cytokinesis in case of plants and cytokinesis in case of animal cell. Both of them are different. Hetu pisot porhim. First we will be talking about karyokinesis first, and so ekhon jodi hoi gol likha heading koriba prophase. Okay. Now talking about mitosis, mitosis ami details ot koribo lagibo. Details ot koribo lagileo no doubt we are going to write many points regarding each and every stage of mitosis, but there are only few points that we remember, right? Baki khini porhato ami porhime, kintu eta point whenever we talk about prophase we just remember one or two points. Similarly if we talk about metaphase we remember one point, right? Not like this je baki kita point noporu, kintu thabi eta defining point ase protektu bostu. Mitosis boli kole we know equational division, that is the first point we remember. Mitosis or karyokinesis of first step ki prophase. Prophase ot keneke identify koru, or what is the characteristic of prophase? Prophase ot bahut bilak steps hoy no, nuclear material or bahut kiba kibi changes hoy, but whenever we talk about prophase, what are the lines that we remember? The nuclear material nuclear membrane kon naikia hoi jay, nucleolus naikia hoi jay, right? That genetic material remains in the form of what? প্ৰথমতে chromatin network হৈ আছিল, chromatin network to condensation হৈ পেলাই chromosomes form কৰে, etc. etc. So these 2 points about prophase. Prophase ত কি কলো যে disappearance of the nuclear membrane, the nucleolus, Golgi bodies, etc. আৰু genetic material or কি হয় condensation হয়, chromosomes বিলাক form কৰে. Chromosomes কোনে form কৰে? Chromatin network বিলাকে chromosome form কৰে. এটা chromatin কি এটা cellত nucleus আছে, nucleus ৰ ভিতৰত genetic material আছে. This genetic material are always in the form of a thread-like structure prior to division, right? A thread-like structure prophase stage or prothomote ki hoi thake tahate thread-like structure. Hekane moi olop agote mitosis is equal to thread likisil no. From there we understand je prophase stage or genetic material always remains in the form of a thread, like a woolen ball. To be thread to kor pra arambho hoise, kenikwa hoise, kiman dangor, kiman digol, nothing you know in the early prophase, right? As prophase continues, hey genetic material that was in the form of a thread tahator condensation hoi pelai specific chromosomes form kore, and once the chromosomes are formed properly, it is only then we can see them properly, ৰাইট প্ৰথমতে থ্ৰেড লাইক দেখা পাইছোঁ পিছতহে আমি ক্ৰমোজমছ দেখা পাইছোঁ একদম আৰ্লি প্ৰফেজত আমি ক্ৰমোজমছ দেখা পাওঁ নে নাপাওঁ ইফ দ্য কুৱেশ্যন ইজ আস্কড লাইক দ্যাট দেন অবভিয়াছলি ক্ৰমোজম ইজ ইনভিজিবল ইন আৰ্লি প্ৰফেজ ইটছ লেটাৰ ষ্টেজ ইন প্ৰফেজ দ্যাট উই চি দ্য ক্ৰমোজমছ ক'ৰ পৰা ফৰ্ম কৰিছে ক্ৰমেটিনৰ পৰা ফৰ্ম কৰিছে হোৱাট ইজ ক্ৰমেটিন দ্য থ্ৰেড লাইক ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ্ছ অৰ থ্ৰেড লাইক জেনেটিক ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ্ছ ইনচাইড দ্য নিউক্লিয়াছ ইজ কল্ড এজ ক্ৰমেটিন চ' সেইখিনি আছিল প্ৰফেজ মুভিং টু দ্য নেক্সট ফেজ ক্ৰমোজমছ ক্লিয়াৰ হৈ গ'ল প্লাছ নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেটেৰিয়েলখিনি গুচি গ'ল নেক্সট ফেজ কি মেটাফেজৰ এটা পইণ্টত আমি কি জানো যে অল দ্য ক্ৰমোজমছ নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেইন চোৱা এটা চেল আছে হা এইটো চেলত কি আছে নিউক্লিয়াছ আছে নিউক্লিয়াছত ফাৰ্ষ্ট জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েলবিলাক ইন দ্য ফৰ্ম অফ আ থ্ৰেড আছিলে এইবিলাক জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েল পিছত কণ্ডেন্স হৈ পেলাই ক্ৰমোজমছ ফৰ্ম কৰিছে আমি বা ইমান ডিটেইলছত নকৰিলেও এতিয়া আমি এনেকুৱা ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ্ছ প্ৰথমতে থ্ৰেড দেখিছিলোঁ এতিয়া আমি কণ্ডেনচেশ্যন অফ ক্ৰমোজমছ দেখিছোঁ সৰু সৰু কিবা এটা বস্তু ডিষ্টিংক্ট হৈছে লগে লগে প্ৰফেজ ইজ অলছ' কেৰেক্টাৰাইজ বাই ডিছএপিয়াৰিং অফ দ্য নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেইন ৰাইট এই নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেইনখন যেতিয়া গুচি যাব এই গোটেই জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েলবিলাক এই চাইটোপ্লাজমত ডিছপাৰ্চ হৈ যাব নাযায় প্ৰথমতে ক'ত আছিলে জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েল উইদিন দ্য নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেইন বাট ওৱান্স দ্য নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেইন ইজ ৰিমুভড অৰ ইট ডিছএপিয়াৰ্ছ তেতিয়াহ'লে জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েলখিনি ক'ত থাকিব অবভিয়াছলি ডিছপাৰ্চ ইন দ্য চাইটোপ্লাজম ইয়াতো থাকিব পাৰে ইয়াতো থাকিব পাৰে ইয়াতো থাকিব পাৰে চ' ইট উইল বি ডিছপাৰ্চ চ' এইটো হ'ল তোমাৰ প্ৰফেজ নেক্সট আফটাৰ প্ৰফেজ কি থাকিব মেটাফেজত কি হ'ব যে যিমানবোৰ এইবিলাক ডিছপাৰ্চ হৈ আছিলে ন য'তে ত'তে আছিলে দে উইল অল এৰেঞ্জ ইটছেল্ফ ইন দ্য ইকুৱেটৰিয়েল প্লেন এটা মাজত বা এখন মাজৰ প্লেটৰ নিচিনা ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰত তাত এৰেঞ্জ হৈ যাব য়েছ প্লিজ আস্ক এইবিলাক জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েল যোনখিনি নেকি এনেকৈ বল এটাৰ নিচিনা আছিলে নাই এই বলবিলাকে ক্ৰমোজমছৰ ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ ল'ব নলয় প্ৰথমতে ক'ত আছিলে নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেইনখনৰ ভিতৰত আছিলে নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেইনখন যেতিয়া ডিজলভ হৈ যাব তেতিয়াহ'লে ক'ত যাব এইবিলাক চেলটোৰ চাইটোপ্লাজমত থাকিব নাথাকে right so it is just in a very brief that I am explaining the entire process obviously we'll go in details and we'll write it properly with the proper diagrams right but here just to understand what we'll be talking about so we are talking about a stage that is called as prophase of nuclear membrane gusi joar karone chromosomes bilak scattered in the cytoplasm hoi gol next phase is metaphase jimanbor scattered asile ei gutei scattered bor eta proper arrangement in the middle phase that is why it is called as metaphase equatorial planot arrange hoi jabo that is metaphase talking about the next phase metaphase or pisot ki jabo telophase metaphase or pisot ki jabo anaphase কি হ'ব যে এডাল chromosomes no we know one chromosome consists of two chromatids so এডাল chromatid এটা সাইডে যাব আৰু এডাল chromatid এটা সাইডে যাব if this is a cell এই প্ৰথমতে এনেকৈ আছিলে দুইডাল ছিঙি পেলাই এটা ইপিনে গ'ল এটা ইপিনে গ'ল this is what is called as anaphase means the chromatids would be pulled towards the two opposite poles ইয়াতে কি আছিলে chromosomes would be arranged in the equatorial plane anaphase ki hobo the chromosomes would be pulled towards the two opposite poles and next after anaphase we have ki telophase ki hoy exactly the opposite of prophase ami prophase ji dekhisilu just tar opposite khini jeneke nuclear membrane ki hoise disappear hoisile telophase ki hobo appear hobo nucleolus disappear hoisile telophase ki hobo appear hobo right and plus we know that if you are talking about a cell like this telophase nuclear membrane khon ako form kori pela ar tar within not ki thakibo chromosomes bur thakibo chromosomes bilak yate ami eta word use korisilo chromosomes chromatin network asile chromatin network or pra ki form korisile chromosomes form korisile chromatin or pra chromosomes form korute what is the process or term that we have used the word called as condensation condensed ho gosile ei karone ami thickened version eta dekha paisilo so yate jodi condensation hoy opposite of prophase ki hobo decondensation so ei bilak words ami monot rakhibo libo ইয়াতে সব হৈ পেলাই আগেন এনেকুৱা ষ্টেজ হৈ যাব কি ডাবল আছিলে chromosomes বিলাক yeah chromosomes where each chromosome consists of two chromatids the chromatids will separate yes single হৈ যাব half হ'বই লাগিব because the genetic material would be divided equally between the two daughter cells right so once they separate Even after that, we do not use the word chromatid, instead we use the word chromosomes. Prathomate chromosomes asile, chromosome to split hoi pelai ki form korile, dudal chromatid form korile. Kintu chromatid moves to the two opposite poles boli ami nokoi pelai. Chromosomes move to the two opposite poles boli, and this is the statement that we use. The meaning is the same. The genetic material will get equally divided between the two nuclei. Right? So, within this process, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase hoi jua loge loge. Telophase jetia hoi ase, then the cell will be ready for cytokinesis. Cytokinesis gradually hoi. Etu eneke furrow, if suppose we are talking about an animal cell, eneke kori ultimately ki hobo duta cell form koribo. In a mane lump sum, mitosis bostu to okoman buzi palu ne nai. Details of the obviously we'll write, right? So mitosis starts from, or first stage ki prophase or early prophase. Early prophase of chromosome materials bu keneke thake in the form of a ball of wool. So first heading korasun, prophase, right? Prophase of likha longest of the M phase. Jimanbur stage or kotha koisu no, prophase, metaphase, anaphase or telophase. Tar bitor sobotse longest ki prophase. And we know prophase, we have 3 steps. Early prophase heading koriba. Early prophase or diagram eta aka. Longest of the M phase. M phase mane dividing phase ba mitotic phase ji likha. Gotei kita stage or bitorot sobotse longest stage kuntu obviously prophase. Rough diagram akiba. Ekini chromatin network, genetic material kini in the form of a woolen ball. Tumi distinctly kobo nwara kopra start hoise kopra ke hoise kenukwa dekhat eko specific structure tumi identify koribo nwara. That is the beginning. তাৰপিছত এইকেইটা পইণ্ট লিখি ল'বা। So prophase, the first phase of mitosis, divided into 3 steps, that is early prophase, mid prophase and late prophase, right? Early prophase, the structure that we will see is something like this. We will have a cell, cellot এই দুটা কি আঁকিছো centriole because we have talked about centriole duplication no already interface stage of তোমার centriole duplicate already হয়ে যায় so that is the reason why we are talking about two centrioles here right আর centrioles ক'ত থাকে last classত আমি কৈছিলো নেকি centrioles of spindle rays arise কৰে astral rays we have talked about all those right so these two are called as centrioles. Duplication of centrioles has already occurred in the interface. What is the function of the centriole? Will help in spindle ray formation, right? Then this is the nucleus. Nucleus of ভিতৰত কি থাকিব genetic material থাকিব কিন্তু genetic material in the form of chromosomes is not observed in early prophase. আমি ক্ৰোমোজোমৰ যোনটো proper structure সেই structureটো আমি early prophase দেখা নাপাওঁ. Instead we'll see thread like structures like a ball of wool, right? And this stage is called as spireme stage. So these are the points about early prophase that we have to talk about. In this stage, chromosomes, chromatids are not visible. Then what is visible? It is only that network or chromatin network that is visible. Chromosomes appear as a ball of wool, distinct nohoy, ekdom mane tied together. Next, this stage is also called as spireme stage. 8 point about early prophase. Kiba doubts ase neki kwa? Also called as spireme stage, S-P-I-R-E-M-E, right? So spireme stage ketia koba jetia network kini ba genetic material kini in the form of a woolen ball or nisnake thake distinct hoi na thake tetia hole ami tak ki boli ko spireme stage. Question ahibo pare the spireme stage is also referred to as dash, it is also referred to as early prophase. Why is it called as spireme? Because we cannot see the chromosomes or the chromatids clearly. Diagram, okay, diagram or labeling at a cell akiso, cell eta akiso, that's an animal cell, so obviously we have not shown the cell wall, right? So it's a round structure. Hey, round structure to bitat aru eta round akiso that represents the nucleus. Inside the nucleus we have the genetic material in the form of a ball, right? And now woolen network eta nisake akiso. And in the nucleus we have that nucleolus, right? Aru just nucleus or okoman uporot duta dot disu and two dots represents what? Centriole. Duta centriole kiho karone akisu? Because we know duplication of centriole has already occurred in interphase. And if you remember which phase to be precise, question jodi ahe centriole duplication kuntu phase or hoisile? Anyone who remembers? Very good. So centriole duplication already occurred in S phase. Is it clear? Okay. After early prophase, we'll talk about the next stage of development, that is mid prophase. Yate spireme stage, S also called as spireme stage, S-P-I-R-E-M-E, spireme stage. Okay, next. Early prophase we go. Now we'll be talking about mid prophase. Mid prophase what? Again cell to akilwa. This time we will see that the nuclear material gradually starts to disappear. A kind of dotted nuclear membrane akisu, right? ডায়াগ্ৰামটো ক্লিয়াৰ হৈছে নাই কোৱা হা ডায়াগ্ৰামটো কেনেকৈ আঁকিছোঁ চেলটো আঁকিছোঁ লাষ্ট ডায়াগ্ৰামটোত নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেইনডাল আছিলে ইয়াতে নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেইনডাল ডিছএপিয়াৰ কৰিছে চ' ডিছএপিয়াৰেঞ্চটো কেনেকৈ দেখাইছোঁ ডটেড লাইনত নেক্সট আগতে ক্ৰম'জোমছ বা জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েলবোৰ কেনেকৈ আছিলে ইন দ্য ফৰ্ম অফ আ বল অফ উল এতিয়া কি দেখাইছোঁ কনডেনচেশ্যন হৈছে সেইকাৰণে অকণমান এৰিয়া বা ডিষ্টিংক্ট বা থিকেণ্ড হৈ গৈছে নেক্সট we have talked about the centriole previous diagram to ki akisilo je centriole kita ekdom usorot asile etia ki hoise they have started moving little bit apart right ultimately centrioles kita kole move koribo to the two opposite poles so first diagram of centrioles were closely placed in mid prophase okoman tahade movement arambho korise and we can see the formation of spindle fibers also okoman ke কোনটো ধৰিব পৰা নাই নিউক্লিয়াছৰ ওপৰত ন আৰু মই তোমাক দেখাই আছোঁ চোৱা এইটো হ'ল নিউক্লিয়াছ হা ফাৰ্ষ্ট ডায়াগ্ৰামটোত নট মিড প্ৰফেজ আৰ্লি প্ৰফেজত এইটো ডায়াগ্ৰাম আঁকিছিলা নাই তাৰ ওপৰত কি আছিলে দুটা এনেকুৱা ডট আছিলে এই দুটা ডটক আমি কি বুলি কৈছিলোঁ চেন্ট্ৰিঅলছ চ' মিড প্ৰফেজত কি হ'ব এই চেন্ট্ৰিঅলছকেইটা অকণমান দে উইল মুভ আ পাৰ্ট আগতে ওচৰত আছিলে এতিয়া অকণমান দূৰলৈ যাব হা দূৰলৈ গৈ তাহাঁতৰ পৰাতো অলৰেডি চেন্ট্ৰিয়েলছৰ পৰা কি ডেভেলপ কৰে এষ্ট্ৰেল ৰেজ ডেভেলপ কৰে ৰাইট তাৰ পৰা আকৌ স্পিণ্ডল ফাইবাৰ্ছো ডেভেলপ কৰে আমি অকণমান স্পিণ্ডল ফাইবাৰ্ছ দেখা পাম ৰাইট সেইখিনি হ'ল চেন্ট্ৰিয়েলছৰ এজ ফাৰ এজ দ্য নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেইন ইজ কনচাৰ্ণ নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেইনখন ডিছএপিয়াৰ কৰা আৰম্ভ কৰিব চ' উই হেভ ড্ৰন ইট এজ আ ডটেড লাইন ৰাইট নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেইনৰ ভিতৰত কি আছিলে নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেটেৰিয়েল আছিলে দিছ মেটেৰিয়েলছ আগতে ক্ৰোমেটিন ফৰ্মত আছিলে এতিয়া অকণমান থিকেণ্ড হৈ পেলাই আমি অকণমান এটা ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ আমি দেখা পাম যেনেকৈ ক্ৰম'জমছবিলাক ফাৰ্ষ্ট ষ্টেজত ভিজিবল হোৱা নাছিলে কিন্তু ইয়াতে ভিজিবল হ'ব right some points about mid prophase chromosomes chromatids becomes visible nuclear membrane comma nucleolus starts disappearing. Other points clear? Early prophase or mid prophase or অকমান চেঞ্জ খিনি ধৰিব পাৰিছা নাই আৰ্লি প্ৰফেজত নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেইন আছিলে নাই আছিলে নিউক্লিওলাছ আছিলে নাই আছিলে বাট ইন কেছ অফ মিড প্ৰফেজ ইট হ্যাড স্টাৰ্টেড ডিসএপিয়াৰিং right second comparison is about the genetic material in early prophase the genetic material was in the form of a ball of wool whereas in mid prophase the genetic material could be or it became distinct in the sense chromosomes ami properly dekha palu he threador nisna structure opra eta specific structure dekha palu and that specific structure is called chromosomes are duta part thake that is called as chromatids ebla bostu ami to some extent distinctly dekha pam is the point over nuclear membrane comma nucleolus starts disappearing is it clear now nucleolus nuclear membrane aru nucleolus lahe lahe naikia hoi jay that is what we have written down nuclear membrane comma nucleolus starts disappearing নিউক্লিওলাছ মানে এই নিউক্লিয়াছৰ ভিতৰত থকা সেই স্পট এটা আঁকিছিলোঁ, এতিয়া কি আঁকিছোঁ ডাউন। ফৰ এক্সাম্পল প্ৰথমতে আমি নিউক্লিয়াছটো এনেকৈ আঁকিছিলোঁ, ইয়াতে এটা ডিষ্টিংক্ট নিউক্লিওলাছ আছিলে ইন আৰ্লি প্ৰফেজ। ইন মিড প্ৰফেজ দ্য নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেইন উইল start getting breaking down আৰু নিউক্লিওলাছটো কি হ'ব ব্ৰেকিং ডাউন। চ' এইটোও ডটেড, এইটোও ডটেড। over next লিখা late prophase। okay, in the diagram, if you can see the chromosomes, we have drawn only 4 chromosomes in the diagram. That does not mean each and every cell will have 4 chromosomes, right? Diagram to the khali 4 chromosomes akisu, not necessary 4 ase, bahut besi chromosomes ase, ar chromosomes bilak jehetu after nuclear membrane khon naikia hoi jabo tahate ki hobo scattered in the cytoplasm. First point, supposed to disappear hobo, then cytoplasm mixes with nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm mane the fluidic material that was present inside the nucleus. So membrane khon gusi gole ki hobo je cytoplasm aru nucleus or bitor junki fluidic content ase duita mix ho jabo. As a result the viscosity of the cytoplasm increases, mane it will become more viscous. So we have started talking about mitosis. Mitosis is the most common type of cell division that we generally see in an organism, right? It occurs in the somatic cell. Mitosis is divided into 2 stages, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is divided into 4 stages, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase aru telophase. Our prophase or 3 part ke ami poribo laibo, early prophase, mid prophase and late prophase. Eta jehetu ei 3 specifically ami porisu, so if the question is asked like this, jodi stage wise question ahe, early prophase or question ahile, mid prophase or question ahile, we'll be able to write it now. But sometimes the question comes as a whole, mane specifically early prophase ne mid prophase ne late prophase mention no kori pelai prophase as a whole the question is asked about, right? So in that case you have to answer it accordingly. Early prophase jodi hudise, jodi if the suppose the question is asked, nuclear membrane is present or absent in early prophase? So answer would be obviously it is present in early prophase. So the next question to today, nuclear membrane is present or absent in prophase? So obviously it is absent in prophase. Are you understanding the point? Moi ki koiso? Specifically stage wise question ahibo pare or prophase as a whole question ahibo pare. So specifically stage wise ami points already likhisu. The next thing that we are going to write is some general points about prophase. Whenever we talk about prophase, there are certain general things. General things mane etia swa nuclear membrane prophase ot thakibo ne na thake? Obviously nathake, right? Until and unless you mention it in the question as to in which stage of prophase the nuclear membrane totally disappears, hetu jodi mention kori die tetia hole ami late prophase likhibo lagibo. Kintu jodi specific stage to mention kora nai, what we will write is nuclear membrane disappears in prophase. Is the point understood? Buji yate cytoplasm mixes with nucleoplasm. Point to buji paisu ne nai? Eto nucleus, right? This is the cytoplasm, right? And this one is the nucleus. Nucleus or bhitor to ki fluidic content thakibo, and this is what is called as nucleoplasm. Nucleus or bhitor thaka contents kini ami ki boli kom nucleoplasm. Jeneke cell or bhitor thaka contents kini ami ki boli koso cytoplasm, thik jeneke nucleus or bhitor thaka contents ki ami ki boli koso nucleoplasm. Cytoplasm or nucleoplasm kune separate kori rakhise? It is the nuclear membrane that is separating both the things, right? Once the nuclear membrane disappears, then what will happen? This content and this content will mix together, yes or no? Buji paisa na nai? Okay, so diagram to sai loba ha. So eta cell, right? Cellot ki thakibo? Nucleus thakibo, right? So etu jodi cell hoy, inside content of a cell ami ki boli kom? Yes or no? Cytoplasm. Etu ki hoy? Nucleus. Inside content of a nucleus, nucleoplasm. Duita term clear hoise na etia? Cytoplasm, nucleoplasm. Okay. Eta question to hold. What is that structure that separates the cytoplasm and the nucleoplasm? Eta cellot duita ke keneke separate kore? It is the nuclear membrane that separates both the parts. What will happen if the nuclear membrane disappears? A nuclear membrane kon jodi disappear kore tetia hole ki hobo? Nucleus or thaka bostu kini cytoplasm or logot mix hoi jabo ne na jay? Mix hoi jabo. So that is what we are writing it down. Cytoplasm mixes with nucleoplasm. And as a result, jetia duta content mix hoi jabo no, the viscosity of the cell will increase. Means what? It will become more viscous. Eta viscous boli kole ki buja? Gel like structure, right? Agote jodi thin gel like structure asile etia akman thick gel like structure hobo because duita bostu mix hoi gol. So that is what is called as viscosity of the cytoplasm increases. Why it increases? Because the nucleoplasm has mixed with the cytoplasm once the nuclear membrane has been removed. Clear? Everyone? So, be buji paisa no? Okay. So, up till now, ami ki kori asilu je prophase ok ami tinita bhagot bhag kori pelai early prophase, mid prophase aru late prophase we have distinctly divided and we have written certain points about it. Now what we are going to write is prophase or kisuman point. Specifically ami etu mention kori didiu je we are talking about early or mid or late, right? Specific distinction to ami already kori dilu. Etia some general points about prophase. So points about prophase or likha. Prophase or points কিছুমান লিখা যে কি হয় actually prophase-ত লিখা chromatids not chromatid chromatin undergoes coiling or spiralization. Next. Next, chromosomes becomes thick and their size decreases. Next, each chromosome appears double and consists of two sister chromatids joined by a centromere. Finally, spindle rays, astral rays becomes distinct. So some points bilak buzi paisa nai swa. Right, professor আমি দুটা বেলেগ বেলেগ ইনফরমেশন বেলেগ বেলেগ নহয় দুটা পার্ট কে ইনফরমেশন লিখিছে এটা এতিয়া কি লিখিছো প্রোফেজ এজ আ হোল we are writing down the points অলপ আগতে কি লিখিছিলো যে প্রোফেজ we have divided into 3 parts and then we have written the points distinctly. The fourth point, each chromosome appears double and consists of two sister chromatids joined by a centromere. Each chromosome appears double. Tamane swa. Please look at the board. So, ami nuclear material to keneke arambho korisilo. Right? Eblak ki asile? Thread like structure upor arambho koriso. ইয়াৰ পিছত কি হ'ব যে এই নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেটেৰিয়েলখিনি অকমান কি হ'ব কইলিং স্পাইৰালাইজেশ্যন ডিহাইড্ৰেশ্যন এইবিলাক সব হোৱাৰ কাৰণে এই মেটেৰিয়েলখিনি আমি ডিস্টিংক্টলি দেখা পাম ক্ৰোমোজোমছ আমি এনেকে দেখা পাম তাৰমানে দিস ইজ ওৱান ক্ৰোমোজোম এই ক্ৰোমোজোমৰ কি আছে দুটা ক্ৰোমাটিড আছে so this is the structure that you'll see from this structure in prophase and এই দুটা কি বুলি কয় এটো এটা পার্ট তাক আমি কি বুলি কয় ক্ৰোমাটিড এটা ক্ৰোমোজোমৰ কেটা পার্ট থাকে দুটা পার্ট থাকে and the two parts are called as chromatid both the chromatids remain attached at a point and this is called as centromere. Right? In short, prophase arambhonit ami enukwa eta structure dekhisilu jot niki genetic material in the form of chromosomes was not distinct as prophase proceeded from early to late prophase ami chromosomes or proper structure to dekha paisu. Right? What is the proper structure of chromosome? A structure like this. This chromosome has two parts that is called as chromatids. Aru ei duita chromatid etu part aru etu part mazot kihor attached hoy thake it remains attached in a point that is called as centromere. Now is the point understood? Right? Tamane genetic material bilak distinctly ami dekha pam. Spindle rays, astral rays becomes distinct. Okay, once you have written the points, now let's see questions কেনেকৈ সুধিছে from these points. Questions আহিছে, coiling or spiralization of chromosomes occur in which stage of mitosis? So you have to give interest to this word. ঠিক আছে, so chromosomes বিলাকৰ coiling বা spiralization ক'ত হয়? এডাল thread আছে, just imagine a thread, right? এই thread ডাল যেতিয়া coil কৰিব, coil কৰিলে হি ছুটি হৈ যাব নে দীঘল হৈ যাব? এডাল ৰছী আছে, সেই ৰছীডাল straight আছিলে, সেই straight ডাল obviously সেই ৰছীডাল যেতিয়া coil কৰিব, will it become short or will it become long? Obviously it will become short. First point. Once it starts coiling, will it thin or will it become thickened? Coil korile bostuto it will become thickened. So these are the points that you need to remember. So in prophase, what happens? The genetic material or the chromosomes or the chromatin GA coiling or spiralization occurs. So this is the first point. Kot hoy prophase. Chromosomes bor thick kot hoy prophase, right? Next, chromosomes appear double coat prophase, right? And next, spindle rays astral fibers becomes this, and this is not a very important point. Another thing is this word, নহয়, actually প্ৰথমতে তো এডাল এডালকে থাকিব, coiled হৈ নাথাকে. No doubt we have used the word called as a ball of wool, right? Wool, so I don't know whether you have seen that ball or not. যেতিয়া উলৰ strands বিলাক থাকে ন, উলৰ strands বিলাক coiled হৈ নাথাকে, দীঘল দীঘলকে strand কিন্তু থুপ খাই থাকে. It's not that the strand of wool remains coiled. উলৰ ball দেখিছা নাই? দেখিছানে উল ball দেখিছা? সেই তেতিয়া তাত যোনবিলাক উল আছে ন, যোনবিলাক strands আছে, সেই strands বিলাক coiled হৈ থাকে নে straight বস্তু এটা গোল structure form কৰিছে? Coiled হলে তো একদম rounder. অকল structure টো হে গোল, thread বিলাক তো coiled নহয়. Understood or did not understand? Heya. So exactly the same thing. Chromosomes বিলাক coiling আৰম্ভ হ'ব হে প্ৰথমতে line কে আছিলে and it was in a specific position and it remained as a ball. Later that size decreased because that ki hoise coiling hoise, right? Coiling hole tar jiman dighol asile hi ki hol suti ho gol. Understood? Okay, next you have to talk about dehydration also. Question is also asked, dehydration of chromosomes occur in which stage? Hydration of chromosomes occurs in which stage? So dehydration, as I have written, dehydration occurs in prophase. So hydration kot hobo. Juntu stage of ami opposite of prophase koisilo. It's in telophase, right? So dehydration of chromosomes occurs in case of prophase and hydration of chromosomes would occur in case of telophase. Dehydration occurs. Etu bostu ami keneke gom pam? Suppose just imagine you take a cloth, you dip it in a bucket of water. Right, before, right, তুমি যেতিয়া মানে once you take out that cloth from the bucket of water, ৰ'দত দিয়াৰ আগতে তুমি বস্তুটো চেপি দিবানে নিদিয়া? কাপোৰ এখন ধুলা, কাপোৰটো পানীত থলা, পানীৰ পৰা তো ডাইৰেক্ট তুমি মেলি নিদিয়া, মেলি দিবা নেকি? কি কৰিবা? তুমি চেপিবানে নেচেপা? Are you understanding? Right, যেতিয়া চেপি দিবা তাত কি হ'ব? সেই কাপোৰখনৰ পৰা waterবোৰ ওলাই আহিব নাহে? That is what is called as dehydration. Just a way to think about that process, right? Suppose you have a cloth, you put it in the water. Once you take out the cloth from water, before letting it out to dry in the sun, what will you do? You will just coil it so that you remove the excess water. So similarly, in case of a chromosome, where the chromosome undergoes coiling, dehydration occurs, and because of dehydration, or once dehydration occurs, ultimately that chromosomes becomes thick. Again we can compare it with the cloth. Jetia panit disa, jetia pani pra just ulai loi nisa hi dighol hoi asile, jetia tumi sepi dila, sepi dia loge loge bostu to horu hoi gol ne nai? So this is just a comparison that we are making with that cloth dipped in a bucket of water. But as of now, what we'll remember, what happens in prophase is coiling occurs in prophase, right? Chromosomes are coiling by spiralization hoy, dehydration hoy, excess water kini remove hoi jay, chromosomes bilak thick and short hoi jay, right? And ultimately these are the points that we have to remember about prophase. Kiba eta point jintu niki buji poa nai, please ask. Each chromosomes appear double. Okay. Each chromosome appear double. Actually, this is a statement that we have already explained in interphase. If you remember, we have talked about DNA duplication. Yes or no? DNA duplication koisilo? DNA duplication mane ki je jiman khini genetic material asile, he genetic material khini double hoi jabo. Genetic material ba DNA kot ase, chromosomes ot ase. Chromosome kot ase, nucleus to bhitorot ase. Ekintu ami janu. Before this, okay, next point. DNA duplication kuntu stage ot hoisile? Eta cell jetia cell divide koribo, first ot ki hobo? Interphase hobo, tar pisot he M phase hobo. Right? Interphase or eta stage or DNA duplication already ho goisile, and which stage are we talking about? We are talking about the S phase. S phase, right? When we were explaining about S phase, well, when we were studying about S phase, what we said? The first chromosome enekwa asile, jetia DNA duplication hoi gol, enekwa structure eta dekha paisilu nai? Remember, we have talked about 2C and 4C. S phase at koisilu, right? So, S phase ote, tamane interphase stage ote, prothomote ki asile, chromatin ekdam threador nisna asile. Threador nisna hoi pelai condensation hoi pelai ami enukwa eta structure dekha paisu. Yar pisot jetia tat thaka DNA bur double hoi gol, we have seen a structure this one. Enukwa dhornor structure eta, it was already formed in the S phase of interphase, but we could not see at that time, and that was the reason why S phase was also called as invisible phase. If you remember, we have talked about all this. Koisilun nai? S phase of invisible phase koisilun nai? Invisible phase kiho karone koisilo? Karon a structure to ami dekha poa nasilo. Kenukwa dekha paisilo? Enekwa. Right? S phase of DNA duplicate kori pelai enekwa form of chromosome already hoisile, kintu it was not distinct. Distinct ketia hoise? Prophase ot. Buji paisu ne nai poa? Exactly. ঠিক আছে, তাতে খালি তাহাঁতৰ ডুপ্লিকেটেড পাৰ্ট। তো এই বস্তুটো আগতেই ফৰ্ম কৰি গৈছে, যেতিয়া জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েল ডাবল হৈ গৈছিলে তেতিয়াই এইটো অলৰেডি ফৰ্ম কৰিছিলে ইন এছ ফেজ। এছ ফেজৰ পিছত তাহাঁতৰ কি হ'ল? চ' আকৌ যদি আমি চেল চাইকেলটো আঁকো হা, ইফ ছাপ'জ দিছ ইজ দ্য চেল চাইকেল, ৰাইট? এম ফেজ, G1, S, G2 আৰু এইটো M, ৰাইট? এটা চেল ষ্টাৰ্টিং চেল চাইকেল ক'ৰ পৰা কৰিব? এইটো পইণ্টৰ পৰা কৰিব। ইয়াৰ পৰা আহিলে ইয়াতে কি আছিলে? জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েল আছিলে, জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েল ইন দ্য ফৰ্ম অফ থ্ৰেড এটচেট্ৰা এটচেট্ৰা। ইয়াতে আহি জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েলবোৰ কেনেকুৱা হৈ গ'ল? একচুৱেলি এনেকুৱা হৈ গৈছিলে, কিন্তু আমি এই প্ৰপাৰ ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰটো দেখা নাছিলোঁ, সেইকাৰণে তাক আমি কি বুলি কৈছিলোঁ? ইনভিজিবল চিজ। Right? Nucleus to ভিতৰত genetic material কেনেকৈ থাকিব? In this stage, right? From S, the cell will go to G2. In G2 also, it will remain in this phase. From G2, it will go to the first phase of M, that is prophase. Prophase to junto cell ase, tar genetic material to keneke thakibo. This is what is the meaning of chromosome appearing double. Mane eta chromosome duita arms kita ki boli koisu? Chromatid boli koisu. A proper structure to ami code dekha pao distinctly, a proper structure to ami prophase ot dekha pao, kintu a structure to code form korise already, it is already formed in the S phase of interphase. Is the point clear? আৰু ইমান কমপ্লেক্সকৈ বস্তুটো ভাবিব নালাগে প্ৰথমতে কি ভাবিবা যেতিয়া এটা সেল ডিভাইড কৰিব ল'ব তাৰ আমি যেতিয়া জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েলৰ কথা কৈছোঁ জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েলখিনি প্ৰথমতে তুমি ডিষ্টিংক্ট হৈ নাথাকে তাৰ নেক্সট ষ্টেজত জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েল অকণমান থ্ৰেড ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ্ছ ফৰ্ম কৰে তাৰ নেক্সট ষ্টেজত সি প্ৰপাৰ ক্ৰম'জোমছ দেখা পাওঁ আমি চ' দিছ ইজ দ্য প্ৰগ্ৰেছ জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েল ডিষ্টিংক্ট নাছিলে পিছত ডিষ্টিংক্ট হৈছে ইয়াৰ পৰা এইটো ষ্টেজত হওঁতে আমি কি কি দেখিছোঁ কইলিং দেখাইছোঁ ডিহাইড্ৰেশ্যন দেখাইছোঁ এজ আ ৰিজাল্ট আমি এইটো ষ্টেজ পাইছোঁ এইটো ষ্টেজৰ পিছত জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েল এতিয়াহে ডিষ্টিংক্ট হৈছে এণ্ড দিছ ডিষ্টিংক্ট ষ্টেজ ইজ নাথিং বাট ক্ৰম'জোম ৰাইট আৰু এই ক্ৰম'জোমটোত কি আছে ইট হেজ 2 ক্ৰ'মেটিডছ ৰাইট এইটো এটা ক্ৰ'মেটিড আৰু এইটো এটা ক্ৰ'মেটিড দুইটা ক্ৰ'মেটিড কি হৈছে ইট গট attached in or it remains joined to a point that is called as centromere. Clear? So prophase আমি ultimately কি মনত ৰাখিম coiling of chromosomes বা spiralization of chromosomes ক'ত হয় prophase dehydration process of chromosomes ক'ত হয় prophase right the chromosome thickens in which phase again in prophase etc etc is it clear now আৰু যদি কাৰোবাৰ ডাউটছ আছে সোধা please ask From an entrance point of view, these are the words that we will give importance to. Okay, keita point likhisila pasta niki spindle fiber and astral rays that was point number 5 no and point number 6 likha nuclear membrane, nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi bodies disappear. Right. So we have already written 5 general points about prophase. This is the 6th point and the last point about prophase. So, if whenever the question comes, you have to see whether the question has been asked about general prophase or it has been asked about that specific prophase early, mid, na late. Question to bhalke পঢ়িবা যদি early prophase or hoy তেতিয়ালে আমি যিখিনি points দিছো সেইখিনি points ৰ পৰা answer কৰিম যদি prophase as a whole question আহে these are the points from where we will get the answer right nuclear membrane, nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi bodies disappear. The question to the ahe in which stage of mitosis a nuclear membrane disappears. So it disappears in the prophase. Aru takkeo jodi specifically ahe prophase or kuntu stage of nuclear membrane disappear kore late prophase ot. So these were informations about prophase. Next we'll move to the next phase, that is prophase is followed by ki metaphase. এটা কাম কৰে এইটো ক্লিয়াৰ হৈছে নি অকণমান ডাঙৰকৈ আকৌ বাচিছোঁ ক্লিয়াৰ হ'ব বস্তুটো চোৱা এই ডায়াগ্ৰামটো আকোতে অকণমান কেয়াৰফুলি আঁকিবা ঠিক আছে চেণ্ট্ৰমেয়াৰৰ লগত এষ্ট্ৰেল ৰেজকেইটা জইন নাথাকে স্পিণ্ডল ফাইবাৰকেইটা জইন থাকে এতিয়া মই যোনটো আঁকি আছোঁ এইখিনিহে তোমাৰ এষ্ট্ৰেল ৰেজ না না সেন্ট্রিওল বেলেগ সেন্ট্রোমেয়ার বেলেগ এইটো সেন্ট্রিওল এইটো সেন্ট্রোমেয়ার ক্রোমোজোমসবিলাক ক্রোমাটিডসবিলাক য'ত লগ লাগি থাকে তাক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ সেন্ট্রোমেয়ার ৰাইট red কালাৰবোৰ চেন্ট্ৰিঅলৰ পৰা কিছুমান স্পিণ্ডল ফাইবাৰ্ছ ওলাই ন no astral rays are these rays are called as astral rays that looks like a star ঠিক আছে চেন্ট্ৰিঅলৰ পৰা astral rays ওলাই আৰু এইবিলাক আমি স্পিণ্ডল ফাইবাৰ্ছ কৈছোঁ right yeah দুটা টাইপ অফ স্পিণ্ডল ফাইবাৰ্ছ ওলাই we'll be writing about it right First, diagram to swan, diagram clear hoise ne nai, and then we will write the points. Metaphase we are discussing. Metaphase of what is the chief characteristic point that all the chromosomes that were scattered in the cytoplasm because of the removal or disappearance of the nuclear membrane all the chromosomes now will get arranged in the equatorial plan. Tamane cellor jote tote asile chromosomes bilak etia chromosomes bilak ki hoise eta proper planot arrange hoise in the center, and that is what is called as equatorial plan. And obviously equator is hypothetical. Enukwa nohoy je eta line dekha pam cell etar bhitorot equator dal ami mark koribo parim, enukwa nohoy, just for hypothetical purpose that we are drawing it down. Equator is always hypothetical, no? Tenukwa to line nai. So jimanpur chromosomes cytoplasm scattered hoy asile etia eta proper arrangement ot ahi goise, and that is the chief characteristic of metaphase. All these chromosomes, right, the centro ebilak ki hoy junbilak kola kola dots desu, this is nothing but the centromere, no? Duta part jot log lagi thake eta eta chromosomes ot tak ami ki boli ko centromere. In this diagram, how many chromosomes are shown? 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? 4 chromosomes have how many chromatids? 8 chromatids, because each chromosome will have 2 chromatids. Clear? Next. During prophase, we have already seen that the centrioles started moving to the 2 opposite poles. If you remember, we have started a diagram like this, no? Prophase ami ki diagram akisilu je prothomote early prophase nucleus asile, nucleus usorote ki asile duta centriole asile. Later jetia mid prophase hoise tetia hole nuclear membrane kon disappear korise aru this centrioles started moving apart, and at that time spindle fibers bilak okoman form kora arambho korisile, right? Later what happened is nuclear membrane to gusi jabo, centrioles bilak duta polole pura separate hoye jabo, they will move to the 2 opposite poles where they will develop certain star like microtubules or tube like structure. These are called as astral rays. Astral rays. And this dot is called as centriole. Centriole opra ki develop korise? Astral rays develop korise. Centriole opra okol astral rays e develop nokore. Spindle fibers are also formed from the centriole. So some fibers like this, right? These are the fibers. These fibers are called as ki spindle fibers. So from a centriole we see 2 types of development, one astral rays and the other spindle fiber, right? Now these spindle fibers are divided into 2 types. One is called as continuous fiber and the other is called as discontinuous fiber. Duita ke ami ki kom? Spindle fiber e kom. Continuous or discontinuous means what? Some of the spindle fibers ki hobo je chromosomes bilak jun bilak equatorial planot ase tar centromere touch koribo, right? If you can see this diagram, the black dots, black line to spindle fiber, red line to spindle fiber. A spindle fiber dal chromosome or centromere to touch korise, kintu this red spindle fiber did not touch the centromere. So this is called as what? Continuous. Junbilak spindle fiber did not touch the chromosome, that is called as continuous. And those spindle fiber that touch the centromere or the chromosome, that is called as discontinuous. Is the diagram understood and the terms clear? Okay, but yeah. Centriole opra, right? Spindle fibers are astral rays centriole opra develop hore. Spindle fiber or kam ki je tahate ki koribo majot thaka chromosomes bilak separate kori duta polole loi jabo so that they can divide the genetic material properly. That is the function of the spindle fiber. What is the function of the astral ray? The function of the astral ray is helping in the formation of spindle fiber, first point. Second point is it helps to keep the centriole in a fixed position. Eta proper position of থাকিব, he move কৰি থাকিলে to spindle fiber to দিগদাৰি হ'ব, no? So astral ray দুটা function, eta it helps in keeping the position of the centriole proper, and second function of astral ray is it helps in spindle formation. As far as the function of spindle fibers is concerned, it helps in division or it helps in formation of the 2 nuclei. Genetic material properly divide koribole বা ক্ৰম'জম এটাৰ পৰা ক্ৰ'মেটিডছবিলাক ছেপাৰেট কৰিবলৈ কোনে হেল্প কৰিব স্পিণ্ডল ফাইবাৰ্ছ because these are the spindle fibers will pull this part towards this side and this part towards that side. As a result, the genetic material will get equally divided in the two poles. Any questions? Diagram আঁকা হল? Everyone, I think I can rub, right? So we'll rub the diagram. Okay, continuous, discontinuous, ভালকে আঁকি লবা and এটা আমি informations খিনি লিখো metaphase or. Okay, metaphase or information লিখা. Mitotic spindle means we are talking about that spindle fiber formation. Fully develops, right? Next, the chromosomes that were in the cytoplasm attaches in the equatorial plane by means of centromere, right? And centromere to ketiaba mane ketiaba no, it is also called as driver of the chromosome. Question jodi ahe, what is the driver of a chromosome? Centromere. Right? So equatorial plane arrange hoye thake, it important point. Next, each sister chromatid mane eta chromosome duta part, right? Eta chromosome ki thake duta part thake, etu eta chromatid duitake ami ki boli koisu sister chromatid. Sister chromatid ketia kom jetia duita chromatid remains attached with the same centromere. Each sister chromatid is attached to a spindle fiber originating from the opposite poles. So spindle fiber bur kot lagi jabo, centromere lagi jabo. Next, eta term janibo lagibo. We have a term called as congregation. What is congregation? Chromosomal movement towards the equator. So kiba point buzi napale koba ha. Next point, metaphase is the most suitable time to determine the number of chromosomes and study their morphology. So we have written certain points describing the phase that is called as metaphase. Just see, are there any lines that you did not understand? Right? Mitotic spindle fully develops. Mitotic spindle starts developing in which phase? Mitotic spindle starts appearing or starts developing in prophase. Fully developed kot hoy metaphase hol. The chromosomes in metaphase, baki bilak sentence to eta mukhosto koribo nalage. What you will remember is in metaphase the chromosomes arranges or gets arranged itself in the equatorial plan. প্ৰথমতে কি আছিলে নিউক্লিয়াছৰ ভিতৰত আছিলে নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেইনখন যেতিয়া ভাঙি গ'ল তেতিয়ালে ক্ৰোমোজোমছ বিলাক সাইটোপ্লাজমত স্ক্যাটাৰ্ড হৈ গ'ল that was in prophase. In metaphase the scattered cytoplasm started coming towards the equator and arranging itself. A process to jar karne but a process to juntu niki ami ko the chromosomes were in the cytoplasm, they have start moving to the equator and that process is called as congregation. Congregation ki bostu chromosomal movement towards the equator. Korpra kole move korise cytoplasmor jote tote asile tar pora ahi pelai kot ahise majole ahise and that process is called as congregation. Each sister chromatid is attached to the spindle fiber originating from the opposite pole. This is something that we have already seen in the diagram, right? And this point, eta cellot chromosome kimanta ase ba chromosome dal dekhat kenikwa, what is the morphology of the chromosome? So in order to study the morphology of a chromosome properly or in order to study as to what is the number of chromosome there is in the cell, kuntu phase is most appropriate, it is always the metaphase that is most appropriate. Why not prophase? Eta cellot kiman chromosome ase hetu jodi ami count koribo bisaru, then it will be easier if the chromosomes are arranged in a particular plan. If they remain scattered, it will be quite tough to count the number. So chromosome kiman ase eta cellot, if you want to know about it, metaphase is the best phase to count the number of chromosomes and you can see the chromosomes distinctly, so you can study about their morphology properly, right? So etu upor question ahise. Most suitable time to determine the number of chromosomes is, it is always metaphase. Next aru eta point likho ami spindle fibers or kotha. Spindle fibers or ami ki paisilu, two types paisilu. Continuous fibers or chromosomal fibers, or they are also called as tractile fibers. Bahut bilak naam. Aru eta ki dekhisilu discontinuous fibers. Sorry. Discontinuous fibers are called as chromosomal fibers because this fiber starts the chromosome. They are also called as tractile fibers. So spindle fiber or spindle fibers has been divided into two categories. Likha hole muk koba, we'll move to the next phase, that is anaphase. Only key. Can I rub the board? Points are clear? What about the rest of the students? বুজি পাইছানে নাই? Okay. Okay. Okay, please write this point also. Next. Anaphase. Anaphase or the diagram to আঁকি লওঁ. Yeah? Please ask. Hello? Hello? हाँ red lines हाँ continuous নহয় এইকেইটা জাস্ট red line কে মার্ক কৰা ইয়াতে আৰু বেলেগ এটা নাম আছে ঠিক আছে discontinuous নহয় তোমালোকে খালি আঁকি লোৱা discontinuous মই দেখাম হা এই ডায়াগ্ৰামটো সোনকালে আঁকা I think it's almost time to wind up the class so ডায়াগ্ৰামটো আঁকি লোৱা তাৰপিছত মই বুজাই আছোঁ continuous discontinuous to spindle fiber পৰা ওলাইছিল ন সেইকাৰণে এইবিলাকটো ইয়াতে থাকিবই যোনবিলাকে নেকি ক্ৰোমোজোমছক চুই নাযায় তাক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ কণ্টিনিউয়াছ বুলি কওঁ যোনটো নেকি সেন্ট্ৰোমেৰৰ পৰা ওলাব সৰি যোনটো নেকি সেন্ট্ৰিঅলৰ পৰা ওলাব ঠিক আছে সেন্ট্ৰিঅলৰ পৰা ওলোৱাখিনিতো আমি দেখা পামেই তাৰ উপৰিও দুটাল ক্ৰোমাটিডৰ মাজত আমি কিছুমান লাইনছ দেখা পাম right so লিখি থৈ দিয়া যোনখিনি red line দেখা পাইছা between two chromatids তাৰ এটা নাম আছে that is called as interzonal fiber just লিখা এতিয়া হা So students, since we have almost completed our time today, so we have to wind up the class here itself, right? So up till here, পঢ়ি চাবা ভালকে যদি doubts আছে we'll discuss in the next class. As far as anaphase is concerned, please note down the diagram, the explanation, we'll be doing it in the next class, right? So ভালকে মাজৰ fibers বিলাকক interzonal fibers বুলি কয় প্ৰত্যেকটো ক্ৰোমাটিডৰ মাজত যোনবিলাক আমি ফাইবাৰস দেখা পাইছো these are called as interzonal don't get confused between interzonal and continuous and discontinuous কণ্টিনিউয়াছ ডিছকণ্টিনিউয়াছ স্পিণ্ডল ফাইবাৰৰ পৰা আই মিন কি চেণ্ট্ৰিঅলৰ পৰা ওলাব আৰু ইণ্টাৰজৰ্নেল ফাইবাৰ্ছ দুটা ক্ৰ'মেটিডছৰ মাজত থাকিব right and rest of the explanation we'll do it in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you so much.